Question says the ratio of kinetic energy to the total energy of an electron in a Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is 1:1, 2:-1, 1:-1, or 1:-2. The answer is 1:-1. Since the relation between kinetic energy, potential energy, and the total energy is minus of total energy equal to kinetic energy equal to minus potential energy upon 2. So from this equation we get -1:1, and kinetic energy upon total energy will give us 1:-1.